Yo, I'm back. So the trick didn't work, but I've changed it to variable bitrate. And I said it should choose the server. So maybe that did something, but I don't think so. Maybe Frankfurt was bad. I mean, I just reset my router and that worked last time, but it'll only work for about 50 minutes and then it'll drop again. That's what it's been doing. So I might actually need a VPN. Which is super annoying because I pay for this internet connection. And yeah, whatever. Let's continue. Let's not get bogged down by internet stuff. ISP stuff, I mean. So yeah, this was the problem. Undefined reference to GL disable. Let's go through the lines. Yeah, these should be okay. Okay, there's nothing special here either. Maybe the router gets hot and throttles. No, I tested I ran a speed test right after it dropped, and the speed test was fine. And my router says, I had the interface open on my laptop. Router said it's working fine with all the with bitrate for days, but yeah, apparently my router doesn't have a clue. But yeah, I was thinking that it was getting hot for a long time, but that's not the issue. It's probably really the ISP throttling RTMP traffic. But the weird thing is, why does it... It might actually throttle one single connection. Because if I reset the connection, then it works again, as you can see. I hope it's still working, yeah. So it might actually be just throttling one connection. Still fine? Yeah, okay. Thank God. But yeah, it's annoying. It's been like this for a week, I guess. I think. But yeah, if I have to get a VPN to solve it, then so be it. I'll try that out tomorrow, probably. But the lady from the ISP said that she'll call in tomorrow to see if it's fixed. So I can tell her the news and that it's maybe RTMP related. can't I save this? Okay. Let's see, what is the problem? GL, what is it? GL gentext. GL gen textures, that's in OGL.h, no? GL gen textures. Extern. Where's the glx.c? There it is. Okay, so glx.c is missing. But there it is. Quite clearly. And did it compile? No, didn't. It's not in there. So no wonder it's complaining. If equal, oh, this is probably, should be a string, I think. That might be the issue. And it was the issue. Nice. That also works. So let's check that in. Convert makefile to GNU. So now the splitting part. So let's try making a Windows build. But it's gone again. Oh wow. This time it took 8 minutes. Very weird, man. Yeah. BRB? Okay. Yeah, let's make this a audio commentary. For another couple of minutes. Where was I? Okay. So sending in variables is different into the makefile. But the question is, how do I do it with GNU? So let's look at the browser. How do I pass in variables? How do I set variables? the makefile from the command line. Yeah, that's what I did. That didn't work. Maybe I need to remove the quotes. Nope, nothing to do for app. Okay, so it just says the app is already built. Let's try again. Is there an O2? No. It builds debug. But if I make clean again and put the release in quotes, still O0. So that doesn't work. Are you talking about GNU make? Yes. It is. Then why isn't it working? Maybe if I remove the quotes. From everywhere. See if that still works. I think so. Then make types release. Nope. Oh, I still have the quotes in there. Oh, this is working. So I can make releases. That's pretty good. And they run too. It's also pretty good. So now I should be able to split this. So I have two variables. One is the platform, one is the build type. Platform can either be Windows or Linux, and the build type can either be develop or release. So I will probably yeah, it's a bit annoying. I think I can. I can write Unix colon and then as a target, making Unix a target. And then instead of doing actual work, I just set the variables that are relevant to Unix. And then when I type makefile, when I type make Unix, these should all be set. And then when I type, wait, is that actually the case? I think if I make them phony or something. Let's just try it. Why does Twitch say that my bitrate is excellent? What is going on? Yeah, so if you're just clicking in, this is not normal. I have slight problems with my ISP. Probably the ISP. Okay, sources, format, symbols. Oh, all these need Windows prefixes. And then I can name these release and debug, maybe. It would be nice if this worked. But I'm not convinced. I need something else. Oh, I do need the architecture, okay. And what else? Suffix. Okay, type can go. Don't need the architecture either anymore. cannot remove program. Where did program go? Oh, okay. Let's try make Windows release. It didn't like that. Did not like that. Okay, let's search for makefile intar. Can I set variables in a target? Can I set multiple? Okay, so that's just what I've been doing. Yeah, they don't depend on each other, so it should work. And then, oh, I think I know what's missing. Let's type make Windows release build. Nope. Oh, I misspelled Windows. Still didn't. Nothing to be done for build. Oh, I'm typing it wrong, of course. Make Windows release. Header file not found. What? Okay, they're certainly there. I'm not sure. Why it's not finding them. Let's try Linux. Make clean here GNU release build. No rule to make target GNU. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll remove them from the phony thing. What was it? Make clean GNU release build. Nothing to be done. This should actually work. No? Program. Declared as phony, but I have declared it as phony. GNU win release. Was the phony declaration wrong? No. That's the same. Maybe I have to add that higher up. Nope. It does do clean. Weird. So yeah, guys, I think I'll stop this sad stream with my 200 kilobits per second. And I'll probably get a VPN for tomorrow and set all that up. Oh god. Yeah, Andre. I'm ending for today because yeah, with this bitrate, it doesn't really make sense to continue. Yeah. Not productive to stream like that. Yeah, that's true. I'll get a VPN tomorrow because I think it's pretty hopeless with the ISP. If the VPN solves the thing, probably be some ISP issue. Yeah. So if the VPN solves it, then it is the ISP. But I'm not sure how to set up a VPN. And yeah, I'll have to figure all that out, which is super annoying. But I mean, so the alternative is either I could buy a different contract from another ISP. That would be, and that's another cell wireless internet connection. That I could do that in a day, but it's pretty expensive. Or I could order a landline internet connection, which would solve this probably definitively. But that takes 2 weeks or something, and is also pretty expensive. So maybe the VPN solves it. Maybe a VPN provider has like a free tier or trial, something. That would be nice. So yeah, but it's probably the RTMP throttling. So I will check that out tomorrow, and yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Probably, well, depends. If I get the VPN set up, then the afternoon. Otherwise, later. Yeah, but thanks for watching. Sorry for the connection issues. I'm on it. I've been on the phone with my ISP for an hour today. Well, mostly listening to their waiting music. But okay, anyways, I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Andre. Thanks for reporting the issue yesterday. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.